Okay, hold up. Before I go any further with this unboxing, I want to do a shout out to Ashley Ulrich, my media darling, for hooking me up with Super 73. And thank you to Super 73 for doing me a solid on this. I'm going to use this knife, Silver Stag. I got it in the Wave from Sturgis a couple of years ago, and I love using it for my unboxing. What is a Super 73? It is, for all intents and purposes, an electric moped, but it's way cooler than that. So if you don't know what a Super 73 is, stick around, you're gonna see something really cool. Okay, so I've never unboxed one of these, so I don't know where to start. I guess I should read the instructions. Unclip at bottom. Okay. Clip. Unclip. If you've ever seen me do an unboxing, you know I like to throw stuff. Now my microphone's way over there, so I hope you can hear me. Oh, are you ready? I may not even need my knife. Wow. Okay. What I need is something to clip this with. Although the knife would be more dramatic, wire clippers are going to be better for this. I heard this is... Oh. Whoa, look at this. Man. By the way, these are built here in the USA. I'm sure there's components from other countries. It was originally built by Lithium Cycles, or conceived by, I should say. A lot of people have asked me, make sure you have the throttle. I do, it's right here. Now I'm sure there's an instructional video about how to do all this. But I'm gonna unbox this first. I love this color. And it's not glossy like my truck, but it's almost the exact color. It's called Carmine Red. And I know you probably have a lot of questions about this thing if you don't know anything about it. I have a lot of questions about it. There are so many videos about Super 73 bikes. Just tons. Some better than others. One of the biggest YouTubers ever, Casey Neistat, was one of the first people to do something on this bike. My hair's got me nuts. It's packed really well. It's just beautiful. I mean, it really is. I gotta use it for something. Now, with all the motorcycles I've ridden in my life, I've never ridden a moped, like an actual moped with a motor. So what defines a moped? A moped is something that is pedal assisted, but you can throttle it on its own also. So a scooter is not a moped, and I've heard people say that. Oh, that Vespa's a moped. No, it's not. It's a scooter. Moped is pedal assist, but now there's pedal assist bicycles, and that's different because you cannot throttle them and ride them on their own. I think I'm getting that right. I don't want to cut the seat. I just want to get most of it off. I have the kickstand down. I think this just folds away. Ah, there's stuff in here. So this battery is kind of like the real focal point of this. Check it out. See? It looks like a gas tank. How cool is that? I'm going to do just a little bit of homework, and then I'm going to come back. Probably about there. Looks good to me. Probably change it 10 times. So I will probably move these out a little bit. I like them out, so I'll probably move that. But I'm going to do the pedals first. This is a 15mm side, by the way. So if you want to carry any with you, if you're a Super 73 rider, it's on there nice and snug. Now, you're supposed to charge the battery all the way until it's green. Well, it was green when I plugged it in, so it was fully charged, which is just awesome. Wind or paranormal activity? I'm going to go with wind. I should have a lavalier on it, would make this better, huh? Oh well. I know this has reflectors on it. I hate reflectors. I just do. I think they're goofy. Might need to go. The other thing I gotta do is bring the tires up to the proper pressure. Apparently it's not shipped at the proper pressure. So all that is done. 36 PSI. All right, it's gonna get loud. It's low, 25. I like them kind of straight out, not 100% straight out. Some guys like them way straight out. All right. Now, honestly, I need to have these stupid reflectors off. I don't like reflectors. And one. All right, I have the battery turned on. Level 2. Should try that. I was doing pedal assist on level 2. Let me see. There's level 3. Now what is 4? I don't know if it's just... Okay, this is going to be frickin' fun. So I'm going to load up this app and I'm going to get some way to mount it on here. So I'm going to do that. I'll be back. Okay, so now I have a water bottle holder on here and I have my little DJI Osmo action cam. So I'm going to give this a shot and let's see what happens. Turn this on. God. pretty darn cool. There's a little trouble getting up that one hill, but not bad. Not too bad. This thing is going to be cool. I got some stuff today. One thing I got, no, that's not for me. So, these are rear foot pegs so I can take my little girl with me. And they're from a company called Canabuilt, or Canabuilt, I'm not sure which. But I'm learning quickly that they make some really cool stuff. So I got black. I ordered black because, well, this is black. And red, which matches my truck. And there they are. Billet aluminum. So this would be the left side. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. I'm going to put them on. I put the pegs on. I got to come up with a way to mount my phone, which there's a lot of options out there, so that's not going to be a big deal. Already I can tell it's going to be a blast. It is not a dirt bike, so don't confuse it with that. It is a moped that is kind of off-road capable. I'm going to go try it on the trails. This isn't what I normally do on this channel, but I just had to do it, and there's no reason I can't take this on a couple of scary areas like the abandoned campground, because I can be really stealth and ride around and no one's going to yell at me for riding a gas motorcycle. That's the cool part. You guys take care of each other and keep rock alive.